What's up, guys? Round number 3. We need to edit this. This is not round 2. There we go. Round 3. Going live. Timestamp is 613. Let's grab the list again. Good luck, fellas. Somebody's going to have to win both. I'm just saying. 4 more, we got 11. We're going 11 times. Top 2 are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final, number 11. Oh, clean sweep. Look at that. 4 spots for Ralph. 5834. HXGKNQ is the code. I knew it was bound to happen. Surprised it didn't happen already. And we're done. Wait for it to tick over. Timestamp is 614. Thanks, guys.